The ELEGOO Neptune 3 Pro is a solid mid-range FDM machine that immediately caught my eye for its feature-packed spec sheet, auto bed leveling, a dual-gear direct extruder, dual lead screw Z drive, and a removable capacitive touchscreen with a roomy 8.85x8.85x11-inch build area. Right out of the box, it aims to feel more complete than the classic budget kits. ELEGOO sells it through its official store, and the listing highlights the quick assembly and a PDI flexible build plate that many of us love for part release. Prices on fluctuate, and the product page sometimes shows Prime member pricing, so check the link for the live number. Using the Neptune 3 Pro day to day, I found the dual gear direct extruder a big plus. It helps push filament smoothly and is friendlier with flexible materials compared to a Bowden setup. The dual lead screws help with Z stability on taller prints, and the capacitive touchscreen makes menu navigation nice and modern. Customers on the product page praise the print quality and the feature set for the money, but a few reviews mention firmware quirks and that the quick setup still needs a little tinkering if you're used to true plug-and-play machines. In short, if you like to tinker but want a machine that delivers great results without diving into a pile of upgrades, this is a very reasonable pick. Pros: excellent value for features, direct drive, dual Z, auto leveling, good build area, flexible PEI bed. Cons: occasional firmware UX rough edges, and the official listing sometimes hides live pricing behind the cart. Prime UI, so double check the link. An assembly still needs patience if you're a total beginner. Overall rating vibe from buyers on the listing is positive. Many 4-star and 5-star impressions for print quality and parts, with the usual 3-star, 2-star notes for initial setup issues. And yes, we share buy links in the description box.